Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey and today I would like to show you a short trick from Sneap on using multiband for guitar to make your metal guitar sound clean in any mix. Sneap is an English guitarist, record producer and composer. He has been working with such great bands as Judas Priest, Accept, Dream Theater, Saxon, Opeth, Amon-Amarth, Arch Enemy, Exodus, Megadeth, and many more. And in my today's video I would like to show you a very short trick from Sneap on using multiband compressor for metal guitars to make your metal guitars sound clean in any mix. First of all, let's have a listen to our metal guitars without multiband compressor. In this case, to make your metal guitar sound clean in any mix, we're gonna be using a multiband compressor, and in this case we're gonna be using C4 multiband compressor from Waves Audio. And let's take a look now at original Sneap settings for this multiband compressor. So we're gonna be using lows around 76 Hz and mids around 300 Hz. And instead of 4 bands, we're gonna be using only one band around -29. Now let's have a listen to our metal guitars with this multiband compressor on. So in this case, by using this trick, a multiband compressor is going to drag down some low frequency information on your metal guitars, and in this case, by dragging down low frequency information, it will make your metal guitars sound cleaner. Now let's have a listen to our metal guitars with C4 multiband compressor and without it. So in this case, by using this short trick from Sneap on your metal guitars, you can make your metal guitars sound cleaner in any mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video and I hope you'll find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.